Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete a fantasy football team in the ESPN app using a phone. Let's get started. First, open the app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on My Team. Now, at the top right, tap on League. Once you are in your league settings, tap on League Manager Tools. After that, tap on Basic Settings. Now you can see the option that says Delete Team. Tap on that. Here you can tap on team name and choose remove team. If it's your own personal league, removing only team will basically delete it from that league. A confirmation box will pop up, tap confirm and the team will be deleted. If you are not a manager, your option is to just leave the league instead of deleting the team. And that's it. That's how you delete a team on ESPN Fantasy Football app using a phone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.